Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with the set 2 of the paper 1 for Fssai model paper. So yesterday I had uploaded the first video with respect to the Fssai model paper 1. So I got a very good response from you all students, and you had appreciated the paper. So I will continue this paper with respect to the yesterday's paper. So yesterday's paper was the part 1 and today is the set 2 of the paper 1. Okay, so yesterday we had spoken about topics related to FSSA and computer, and today we will be looking into the reasoning part. Okay, so since reasoning also has lots of weightage, so it will be very important for you to study. Okay, so in this class I'll be starting reasoning. So before looking into the answers, try to answer yourself, and then you can check out the answer by verifying it with the video. Okay, so the first question is, in the following question select the odd words from the given alternatives: lion, leopard, snake, tiger. So it is depending upon the class of family, whereas a lion, leopard, tiger are belong to mammals, whereas snake belongs to reptiles. So this is the common differentiation between these four animals. Okay, you have to remember this. So next question, the following question, select the odd letters from the given alternatives. Okay, so these kind of questions are very important because they are usually asked in almost all the examination and also in FSSI, because in the last year's paper these kind of questions are repeated mainly. So now we need to find out the series first to check out which one is the odd one out. Okay, so yeah, if you look for this, you need to know the number associated with the alphabet. So for A, B, C, D, like if you keep on writing, you will get to 26 letters. Okay, with 26 numbers. So based upon that, you need to crack the series from out of which one of them will be odd one out. So here the answer is B, TVW. So the explanation has also been provided, plus 2 series in all except TVW, because the number of difference between the two letters is different in TVW, which is similar in NPR, FHJ and KMO. Okay, so like that you need to decode. So in the following question, select the odd number from given alternative. So here odd number means not like 1, 3, 5, 7, odd one out. So we are finding out odd one out. Okay, so you need to first see, before seeing the answer, just see like how can we decode this, because instantaneously by seeing that you cannot guess the answer. Since all of them are odd numbers, we cannot remove anything, and we need to check the divisibility. If any three of the numbers are divisible by a particular number, so if that is not possible, also you can see odd number or even number, and if that is also not possible, then look into the prime number. So here 59, 61, 53 are all prime numbers that cannot be divided by any other number, whereas 69 can be divided, for example, by 3. It can be divided by 3. So since it is a composite number, it will be an odd one out because the other three are prime numbers. That is the basic logic here. Okay, if yesterday was Tuesday, then what day of the week will the 10th day from today will be? See, these kind of questions may seem easy, but while sitting in the examination hall with having lots of pressure, so your mind will not be stable. So for that you need to practice these kind of questions also, because these kind of questions are asked in examination. So to be safe, you need to practice them. So if yesterday was Tuesday, then today will be Wednesday. So they are asking, then what day of the week will the 10th day from today will be? So we need to count 10th day. So at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. So the answer I got is Saturday. So it is D. Now let us check the answer. Okay. So the answer is D. So like this you need to practice them so that you have a grip over these kind of topics, or else you will forget everything in the examination hall. In a certain code, the language tape recorder is written as this. So how is the word report will be denoted among the given options? So we need to see. So 6 letters are there, so 6 symbols must be there. So 40, it is written as exclamatory mark. So the last letter should be exclamatory. So all of them are having exclamatory. And for A, we don't need A because report doesn't contain any A. So for third letter P, it is written as and. So here it should be and. And for E, it should be at. So here it should be at. And for R, it should be like this cap one. So after seeing this, you can guess the answer itself. So a cap, at, and should be present. So all the options are having the same options. So see, if you know the initial things also, it would be difficult because you need to decode everything here. So now let us decode for the other things also. Here O is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth letter is O. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Percentage should come here. And for R, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at. So this would be the answer. So here, so I guess I missed some part of the video. So as I said, I guess half part of this was coded, but due to some problem, due to some technical issues, the video was paused. So here the report will be coded as this. So I have done half of it, but still I will do it again. So R is coded as cap because the fifth letter is R, and here fifth symbol is cap, and then E as A, at, then P as and because P is third here, and here the third letter is also and O as capped as percentage, and R again as cap, and T as exclamatory mark because of the first letter. So this is how you need to code for this given letter. Okay. Microphone, loud, microscope. So microphone, everyone will be knowing that it is for increasing the volume. For microscope, it is nothing but magnifying. So you would have used this in the biology labs and all. Okay. Sound, medium, light. So sound travels in a medium, whereas light travels in vacuum at the maximum speed. Okay. So light is the one that can travel in the maximum speed in a vacuum. Democracy, India, communism. So this is easiest question, I guess. So you could have heard the party name itself, CCP, Communist Chinese Communist Party. So the answer would be China. So communism is a form of governance where different form of rules will be formed, where the government is the sole authority and a single party system will exist. Whereas in democracy like India, multiple parties are present. Okay. Melt, liquid, freeze. So it is not solid. This is also very easy, which is a basic of your 8th standard science textbook. Okay, find the missing in the series 50, 49 and a half, 45 and a half, 42, 37.5. So I'll give you 1 minute of time to solve this. Okay, you solve it, and even though if you have seen the answer, getting the steps is very important for these missing number series. So arrive at the step by solving this problem using a correct logic. So I will also solve you with together. So 50 and 49.5. So difference is minus 0.5. Okay, and here 3.5 minus, and here 4.5. So after seeing this, there is a gradual increase in the number. So the minus 3.5 has increased to minus 4.5. So here it is minus 0.5. So here the difference must be minus 1.5. Okay. So after subtracting 1.5 from 49.5, I'll get 48. So if I subtract 48 from 45.5, I'll get 2.5. So the logic is correct here. So like this, you need to solve these kind of number series problem. See, because number series is very important for all the examination, not only for FSSI, it will compulsory be asked in. Okay. So as I said, the answer would be 48. I've also given the explanation, you can see. Find the missing question mark in the given series. So you need to see like what is the series that has been followed here. So let us see now. So the series for 3 and 4, first you need to check the difference. So 1, 6, 13, but here I am not getting any kind of similarities in the series. So I will drop this difference logic. Okay, So after this I need to check whether any multiplication or addition has been done. So if I see 3 into 1 plus 1 holds good, okay, to get 4. Next 4 into 2 plus 2 holds good for 10. Next 10 into 3 plus 3 holds good to get 33. Again 33 into 4 plus 4 will be my answer. Okay, so for 33 into 4 will be 132 plus 4, so the answer would be 136. So like this you need to use your brain so that you can do permutation and combination to get different logic for solving these kind of number series problem. So what is the next number in 4, 9, 20, 43? So what can be the next number in 4, 9, 20, 20, 43? So by looking at the number itself you can guess something. So here it is 4 into 2 plus 1. Again 9 into 2 plus 2. Again 20 into 2 plus 3. So next thing will be 43 into 2 plus 3. So it should be 43, 86, 89. Okay, I have done a mistake here. It should be 43 into 2 plus 4. So the answer would be 90. Okay. So here the question mark recognizes 90. Okay. But in the options, there has been some problem because in the question has been typed not correctly, because the question should be 90 and then the question mark must be present. So after that the answer would be 185. But here since the question mark has been provided for the 90 itself, the options are not looking like this. So you can change the question like this: 4, 9, 20, 43, 90 question mark, or else you can change the option. Okay, so there is a slight mistake, a typing mistake in this question paper. So but still I guess you got the logic, so that's the importance here. Okay, yeah, see the uh, explanation for this has also been provided. So find the missing number into 15, 216, 208, 235 and 171. So this is one of the trickiest question, I guess. Yeah, I'll give you 1 minute of time to solve this, even though the answer is present, but don't look at the answer. I need the method that you need to solve. Okay, so I'll try to solve now. So here the difference is 1. Here the difference is -8. Okay, here the difference is 27, that is plus 27. Here the difference is -64. So after seeing this you will get an idea. So this should be in the form of cube: 1 cube minus 2 cube, 3 cube minus 4 cube. So next the answer should come such that the question mark should come such that it should be plus 5 cube. So 171 plus 125 should be the answer for the question mark. 692. So the answer should be 296. So you got the answer. So just you need to use your common sense between the numbers by looking into the differences or the addition, subtraction, division, anything, cube number, such that you will get the final answer. Okay, so now the next question is 36, 34, 30, 28, 24. What should be the next number? See why I am giving more emphasis on this kind of questions, because they are repeatedly asked in all the banking examination, insurance examination, or any departmental examination. I can also take ESIC exam paper also. These are very important, so you need to practice a lot of questions based upon these type of questions. So for this, now let us see. Here the difference is -2 and -4, again -2 and -4. So this is following a sequence. So after this it should be -2. So after doing -2 I'll get 22. So the answer would be B. So this was one of the similar kind of questions like previous one. Just the logic depends here. Okay. Yeah, this was the explanation. Now let us go into the direction problem. To attend an exam, so I'll write here. Okay, Sudhir reached the school by traveling 5 kilometers towards the south. So I was at this point. He traveled south 5 kilometers, and after a sharp left turn. So after taking a sharp left, so for me the left turn is in this direction, but for him the left is in this direction. So this is the most confusing part for every student, so please don't get confused. The left turn should be taken according to his direction, not from our direction. Okay, so he took a sharp left turn and traveled for about 10 kilometers. Okay, he again made a sharp left turn. See, for him the left turn is upward, so again 5 kilometer, and reached in front of the school by traveling 5 kilometer more. Okay, which direction is Sudhir's starting point from the school? So if this was the starting point, then which is this direction? Okay, so we need to find out what will be the direction. So according to this, the direction is east. So the answer would be east. So the next question is, arrange the following words as per order in the dictionary. So this is also very important. This is also asked in SSC exams and all. Okay, so you need to arrange the words as per the dictionary. Okay, so A, S, S. So the first three letters are similar, and then I comes. So this goes to last. So the answer should contain two in the last. So let us see the options if we can directly eliminate some. Yeah, we can directly eliminate C, D. So the answer depends on these two. So here these are same, these are same, so we need to first just check the second one. If we check the second one, then we'll directly get the answer. So let us go back to the question. So in the question, the second word that can come is the, so ASSI, 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 everything is present, and after that G is present, here S is present, so I can eliminate this also. Okay, then ASSIG, ASSIT, ASSIG, you can eliminate this also. So only we are left out with 1 and 5 for the second place. So ASSIGN, ASSIGN again, but ASSIGN is present, but it consists of more letters, but whereas this consists of less number of letters. Okay, since the assignment consists of more number of letters as compared to assign, so first this must be considered. So the first letter would be 1. So 1 should come in the first place. Okay, then you need to compare the other number of letters. So next after 1, 5 will come, because everything is same, only thing is extra. So after seeing this, you can directly go to the answer itself, because see, 1 5 is with this 1 5 3 4 2. We have already eliminated these things. Yeah, so the answer would be A. So this can create confusions among you because of the number of letters and all. So if you practice them more, then you will surely have the clarity. See, the correct dictionary order is also being provided. Okay, pointing to the lady. So we are in the 37th question now. Okay, so for these kind of blood relation question, you need to know the how to write the diagram. So pointing to a lady photographer, Seema said, her son's father is the son-in-law of my mother. So Seema is pointing towards a lady. So let us take the lady as A, and I will denote it as minus, because minus is denoted as a lady and plus is denoted as positive. Okay, her son's father, son is B, let us consider as B, and B positive. Okay, because he is a boy. Her son's father, father means husband of A, I'll consider it as C and plus. Okay, her son's father is the son-in-law of my mother. So son-in-law of that Seema is C. So she should also be as a daughter of this girl, this lady. So let us consider this as D, and as a mother-in-law, and she should be mother of A, and A should be married to C. So now how can be Seema related to this lady? So Seema will be sister of A. So I guess you understood the point here. So her son's father, so A's son's father is C, is the son-in-law of my mother. So if C should be son-in-law of Seema's mother, then A should also be daughter of D. So this is how you solve this by writing the diagram. So how I will exactly know these kind of things means by practicing. So I have practiced many lots of problems on this from Adda book. So I prefer, if you want to ace these things, you need to solve this in a book, because almost 100 questions are present there. From there you can solve it. I see the diagram is also present here. So this is how you need to draw the diagram. Okay, Select the related word letters number from the given alternatives. So this is also an important question. So I was discussed this in the first or second question, I guess. So based upon the numbering or else in the reverse numbering, the questions will be asked. The answer would be C here. Okay. See, the explanation is also provided here. From the given alternatives, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word consultation. See, the question is they have given this word. So among these four, one word is not able to form from this consultation. So we need to find out that. So constant, constant can be formed. Nation, nation, nation can also be formed. Salute, salute, T E is not present, so the answer is C. Okay, so the salute cannot be formed from the word consultation. So this is how you need to solve these kind of questions. So the last question for today is, okay, if S is 19, sun is 54, cake is 20, then mistake is what? We need to find out the answer. So this is also a simple problem. So for this you need to know, see, they have already given S is 19. From this itself you need to know that, okay, the letter has been coded in the form of alphabets. So for A1, B2, like that. So for sun, the answer is 54. So for S, 19. For N they have found out, for N they have found out, and they have added to get 54. For cake also, cake 3, A1, and K5, E5, and K they have found out, and the sum is 20. So like that, for mistake also, you need to find the letter value for each alphabet and add all of them to get the answer. So the here answer is 78. So this is how you solve this kind of problems. So everything is nothing but coding and decoding. So based upon it only the questions will be asked. Okay guys, these were the 20 questions for today from reasoning section. So I guess the session was informative for you all. So before looking into the answer and the method, try to solve it by yourself and then verify it with the video. Okay, so this was the today's class guys. So if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So from tomorrow I'll get one more session, so based upon the classes. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Thank you.